Hello guys, welcome all of you back with our web application development discussion series. Today we are going to talk about how we can design our advanced search web page. Here we have our advanced search web page. First we have inserted our top logo here, and then in here we have inserted the label as advanced search. After that part, in here we have inserted the input field and a search button, and then we have given the search options as by category, model, brand, condition, color, and also the price ranges. After that, in here we have inserted the sort option. In this sort by part, here we have given price high to low, price low to high, quantity high to low, and quantity low to high. After that, in here we have given this part to display the search items details. Since now we don't have any search items, it's going to give us the empty design as no item searched yet. After that, here we have our footer part. So let's go into our code and see how we have designed this. Here we have our code, and first we have inserted our HTML version tag, then HTML opening tag. Within the HTML opening and HTML closing tags, we have inserted our head part and body part. Within the head part, we have given its title as Advanced Search eShop, and we have linked bootstrap.css file, style.css file, and bootstrap icon with this advanced search.php file. Then we have changed our web page icon into this logo.svg icon. In the body part, first we have included our header.php file into this advanced search.php file. After that, here we have given our logo and advanced search label. Then we have used this part to include our search options. Here we have given our input field, and here we have our search button. After that, here we have our select category part. Then select model part here, select brand part, condition part, select color part, and we have given two input fields to insert the price range. After that, here we have our sort by options, and we have given price high to low, price low to high, quantity high to low, quantity low to high. After that, in here we have our empty design. Then in here we have included our footer.php file with this file. At the bottom of this page, we have linked our script.js file and bootstrap bundle.js file with this advanced search.php file. So now let's see how we can program this web page. Here we have our input field, and we have given its type as text, and we have given its id as t. Then here we have our search button. We have given an on-click function to this search button as advanced search, and we have given its value as 0. After that, here we have our select category part, and we have given this select tag id as cat, and we have given first option tag value as 0, and we have given its text as select category. After that, we have inserted a PHP script in here. We have imported our connection.php file into this advanced search.php file. After that, we have run a search query as select all from category table, and we have stored that result set in category rs variable. In the next line, we have checked how many rows are available in category rs variable, and we have stored it in category num variable. Then in here we have run a for loop. First we have created a variable x, and we have assigned its value as 0. Then we have checked whether the x value is less than the value of category num variable or not. Then we have add one value to this $x variable value. Within the for loop, we have taken the first row from our category rs variable and we have stored it in category data variable. Then in here we have closed our first PHP script and here we have started that PHP script. Within this part, here we have inserted the option tag and we have given its value as a PHP script and we have set to print ID value from category data variable value. Within the option opening and closing tag, we have inserted another PHP script and we have set to print name value from category data variable. Then here we have our select model part. In the select model select tag, we have given its ID as M. Within this select tag, we have given its first option tag and we have stored its value as 0. And then we have inserted the PHP script again. And in here we have run a search query as select all from model table. And we have stored that value in model rs variable. Then from here we have checked how many rows are available in model rs variable and we have stored it in model num variable. Then in here we have inserted the for loop. First we have created the variable as $x and we have assigned its value as 0. Then we have checked whether the x variable value is less than the value of category num variable value or not. Then in here we have add one value to this $x variable value. Within this for loop we have taken the first row from model rs variable and we have stored it in model data variable. Then in here we have inserted the option tag and we have given its value as a PHP script and we have set to print ID value from model data variable. Within the option opening and closing tag, we have given another PHP script and we have set to print name value from model data variable. In our select brand part, we have given its select tag ID as B and we have given its first option tag as select brand and we have given its value as 0. Then we have inserted the PHP script in here. Within this PHP script, first we have run a search query as select all from brand and we have stored that result set in brand rs variable. Then from here we have checked how many rows are available in brand rs variable and we have stored it in variable brand num. Then we have run a for loop in here. First we have created the variable x and we have assigned its value as 0. Then we have checked whether the x variable value is less than the brand num variable value or not. Then we have add one value to this $x variable. Within this for loop, first we have taken the first row from brand rs variable and we have stored it in brand data variable. Then we have inserted the option tag and we have given its value as a PHP script. And we have set to print ID value from brand data variable. Within the option opening and closing tag, we have set to print name value from brand data variable. Then in here we have our condition part and we have given it select tag ID as con and we have given the first option tag as select condition and we have given its value as 0. Then here we have our PHP script. Within this PHP script, first we have run a search query as select all from condition table. Then we have stored that result set in variable condition rs. Then we have checked how many rows are available in condition rs variable and we have stored it in variable condition num. Then we have run a for loop and we have created the variable x and assigned value 0. Then we have checked whether the x variable value is less than the value of condition num variable. Then we have add one value to this $x variable value. Within this for loop, we have taken the first row from condition rs variable and we have stored it in variable condition data. Then we have inserted the option tag. We have given its value as a PHP script and we have set to print ID value from condition data variable. Within the opening and closing bracket of this option tag, we have set to print name value from condition data variable. Here we have our select color option and we have given its select tag ID as call, and then in here we have given its first option tag as select color and we have given its value as 0. Then we have inserted a PHP script here. First we have run a search query as select all from color table and we have stored it in variable color rs variable. Then we have checked how many rows are available in color rs variable and we have stored it in variable color num. Then in here we have run a for loop and we have created the variable as $x and we have assigned value 0. Then we have checked whether the x variable value is less than the color num variable value or not. Then we have add one value to this $x variable value. Within this for loop, in here we have taken the first row from color rs variable and we have stored it in variable color data. Then we have inserted the option tag. We have given its value as PHP script and we have set to print ID value from color data variable. Within the option opening and closing tag, we have set to print name value from color data variable. After that, here we have our price inserting part and we have given two input fields to insert the price range, and we have given first input field ID as PF and the second ID value as TO. So guys, that's all for today. Thanks all of you for joining with me. See you in the next video.